Hello friends, welcome. In this video we would learn how to simulate or generate a correlated time series. Suppose we want to generate a time series, two time series which has a certain level of association or correlation between them. Uh, in that situation we would be having a covariance matrix them like this. Variance of first series. This is a covariance matrix which is having certain correlation between them. Sigmas are standard deviation of both the series. Sigma 1 is for the first series and sigma 2 is the standard deviation for second series. So this is the covariance matrix we need to generate to make or simulate two random correlated series. For that purpose, we need to just install this package mass, and then suppose we want to generate a series with certain mean and standard deviation. So mean of X series, standard deviation of X series, then standard deviation of Y series, mean and the correlation. Here I have given the correlation coefficient 0.8. You can take anything you want as per your requirements. This is something very much useful when we want to simulate a portfolio, or we want to do some kind of correlation analysis between spot or future series or some other things like whenever you want to generate covariance series you can do this. And now we generate a covariance matrix here by using the command matrix. In matrix command we generate a vector that has four things: variance and covariance of these matrices. You can see here friends, the standard deviation of first series squared, that is variance of first series, then covariance of both the series, then covariance, and then variance of second series, and number of 2. In this way we would be having covariance matrix like this, which is nothing but this matrix I have shown earlier. Okay friends, so now we have a covariance matrix of two variables. Then I'm using this command set.seed. You can put any arbitrary number here so you can replicate the results I am showing in this video. Then I'm generating a data frame that includes both the series, that is generating by using MVR. This is a multivariate random normal distribution of 30 observation which has certain mean for X and mean for Y with the covariance matrix we have generated earlier. So if we see both the series like this, these are 30 observations we can see friends here, and we can check the parameters we had given earlier. If I see the mean of first, then division of first, second, like this, the correlation, if I say the correlation is coming here 82%, which is not exactly 80% we had given. Why? The reason here is we had taken only 30 observations, but when you increase the number of observations, the correlation, the sample correlation just converges towards population correlation. So if I use like 1000 observation here, the same, now we see the correlation, it's 80%. That is what we put or inserted earlier. So this is the way friend we can generate correlated time series. It could be 2 series, 3 series, 10 series. Simply you need to generate a covariance matrix, and then using this MVR command you can generate multivariate normal distribution using a certain correlation between them. Thank you friends, keep watching for such